Gain knowledge through reading. Laika. Almost 50 years ago, Laika became the most famous dog in the world. She was the first animal in space. She was on board the Russian Sputnik-2, which was launched in November 1957. Sadly, Laika couldn't be brought back to Earth and she died in space about a week after the launch. The Laika Foundation in Moscow, one of Russia's most important research institutes, is named after her. Activity. What is the present tense of below verb? Was, died, brought, became, named, launched. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Be an example.